Technical Tip Tuesday. I'm joined by Chris Tilkoff, director at DocuSketch and the founder of Amy Estimate Review. This month, we're talking about scope, documentation, 360, and more. Last week, we talked about speech to scope. This week, we're tackling AI. Welcome back, Chris.
Good to be here.
Happy to have you. Super excited to talk about this one because you guys are working on so much, and AI is just such a hot topic right now, and it will be for quite some time, I'm sure. So, with that being said, AI is beginning to interpret on-site observations, photos, spoken notes. What mindset shifts should restorers start to adopt now to stay ahead of the curve and how scoping will be done in the next 12 to 24 months? Don't give everything away. I know there's some fun stuff coming, but what would you tell restorers now to start adopting?
Yeah, sure. So a few things. I can start giving it away because DocuSketch has already, teased and released our plan for the next few months. So look for some products coming out there. But I'd like to correct something that I've said in the past because things are changing so fast right now, as everybody knows, with the ease of which tools can help us produce great um, solutions for text to use on site. I have said in the past that I thought that changes towards automated estimating would be incremental over time, and they have been. If we look at the history of our industry, we are doing things better, faster, and with higher quality, better photos to support everything. But within the last 6 months, especially the last 3 months even, things are picking up. So I do believe things. We're starting to see leaps. The paradigm of how estimates are created is picking up pace right now. And the good news is the fundamentals are still important. And the knowledge and understanding of the great people in this industry, the boots on the ground who are attending homes and businesses, that's still exists. So what it is, though, is capturing that information, whether it be through speech to scope, through image capture, through video if needed, whatever it may be, how fast we can process that information, uh, infer estimate items, ask you a question to clarify it, and move on to get you a very solid estimate early on. And what, to start thinking about is, how does that make the industry change? Like what expectations between the carrier homeowner and the contractor are going to change over time and with speed. But yeah, it is exciting to see all the tools that are coming out and what DocuSketch is doing to make things come together a lot quicker to deliver high quality information both back to you, the contractor creating it, and also making it easy to share that and get answers out of the adjuster and homeowner. So very exciting stuff, moving quickly. And I mean, this is one of those stay tuned because, next month is another answer with, the shift in how fast things are moving.
Yes, so true. And I will definitely say too, the goal behind all of this, implementation and change is to help the restorer and even the carrier, for clarity, speed to accuracy and telling the full story because members of your team from Nelson to Rob to yourself and Holly and Todd, we have to tell a story, right? That's our job is to tell a story and you guys are enhancing the tools to just do that a little bit better every time you have a new rollout, right? And so like you said, you guys have shared your plan. So we're so excited to see what's to come. And I know we'll be talking about this more, but thank you for breaking it down and kind of sharing, what we can do to leverage, the AI, but also what we should start adopting because we can't wait too long. We'll get left behind if we don't start making the changes that we need to make. So thank you again, Chris, for coming on and sharing. That concludes this week's technical tip. We'll see you next week. Take care.